So hey guys, assalamu alaikum. So alright guys, so as you guys can see, I have here potassium permanganate and I also have sugar powder. So what we are going to do? Let me show you something. Alright guys, first let me show you something. I'm going to take some potassium permanganate here. If I pour some glycerine in this potassium permanganate, something will happen. Yes. Some more. And guys, it's got fire. So now I'm going to try this thing in a bigger level. So all this potassium permanganate, we are going to mix all this thing first. Let's see what will happen. Alright guys, let's mix it first. So let's do it. Let's do this experiment. I'm excited. I'm really excited. So let's do it.
This video is truly for entertainment purpose. Please don't try this at home.
Alright guys, as you guys can see, just look at it, red hot, just amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment. Actually, first of all, we try it here to fail. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. So this is lot of experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and I will catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.